Menus at restaurants often use words that aren't common in normal conversation, so sometimes they can be confusing to read. Here are some words you might see on an English menu. Starter, or appetizer. Sometimes the waiter will ask you if you want to start off with an appetizer. These are the small things you eat before a meal, like chips, dip, or cheese plates. They're brought on one plate and shared between everyone. Main course. This is also called a main dish. It's the biggest thing you'll eat. If your main course has the word plate or combo with it, then that means there's more than one thing. For example, you can have a steak plate, which comes with 2 sides. What is a side? Well, that's easy. It's something small that's served on the side of your main course. Side dishes are very common and include things like vegetables, soups, salads, and bread. Dessert. Now that your meal's done, you probably want something sweet. Well, that's what we call dessert. Ice cream, cake, and cookies are all desserts. Beverages. Some menus will have a section called beverages. A beverage is just a fancy way to say drink. You can have alcoholic beverages like beer and wine, or non-alcoholic beverages with tea, soda, or water. When you go into a restaurant and sit down, your waiter might ask, "Are you ready to order?" They want to know what you want to eat. They'll give you a menu and you can either say the order out loud or point to it. At fast food places, the menu is often too high to point to, but they're usually numbered. If you go to a fast food place, you can walk up and say, "I'd like a number," and then say which number you want. Look at this meal. Can you find the main course? What are the sides? What's the beverage? Are there any desserts? Comment your answers below. If you want to learn more useful English tips and tricks, remember to like, follow, and share. Thanks for watching.